How to fix payment/transfer failed error on Raiz application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the app or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while making transactions. However, if you're still facing the problem, you want to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Raiz application. Tap on Raiz and simply offload the app from here. Reinstall the app again, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing such problems. However, if you're still facing the problem, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. And if that doesn't solve your problem as well, you want to simply contact the official bank applications team. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.